Also, don't forget to join my Discord server.
So you can open portals to any place in the human world and disguise yourself and others as humans. I was wondering, now that you got it back, what else can you do with it?
Oh, are you interested in seeing more spells?
Yeah, kinda. It could be helpful in the future.
Well, I haven't tried all the spells of this book, so a good couple of them are still a surprise. Let's see. Something harmless. Oh, I think I found something interesting.
Really? Show me then. Whoa!
Voila! I can change the species of other kinds of demons too. So, darling, how does it feel? I've never used that spell on someone else.
I have to say, it's a bit weird, but not in the bad way. I don't look bad, though.
I see. Would you mind if I show you some new features that come with this new body?
Oh? Well, that sounds interesting.
Come here!
Wow. You really like this bird form, don't ya?
I like it because it's you, darling.
So this is why you wanted to turn me into a bird like you? To check for ticks on me?
Not at all, darling. I'm just styling your new feathers.
Oh, and that is why you are gurgling so happily?
2 seconds later.
Okay, I think this was enough petting for me, Stolas. You can let me go now. Hey, Stoles, it's enough, seriously. It's starting to feel a bit funny. Unless you want to end up getting smashed on the floor, you should. Oh, so this was the new features that you wanted to show me so bad, don't you, little bitch? To make me ruffle up like some terrified, dumb-looking chicken?
I'm sorry, darling. I couldn't help myself.
Oh, you don't feel sorry at all, you nasty bird-brain liar! I won't let you get away with this shit and me being the only fluffy duster here.
What the hell is even that?